Hello, Earth citizens. In this video, I will walk you through a visual guided meditation to a waterfall in the beautiful Catskills in upstate New York. This place is so beautiful to reset and refresh your mind, so come along with me. First, find a comfortable space where you can stand and walk in place. Now let's begin our walk to the waterfall. Look at the video to help visually guide you. Start by walking at a slow pace that is comfortable for you. Focus your attention on the rhythm of your steps. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. You are now in a beautiful nature setting filled with trees, fresh air, and good energy. The smell of the forest is pleasant as you keep walking. Draw your attention to the balls of your feet and imagine taking in the crisp energy of the spring leaves through the bottom of your feet. This energy will re-energize you. If your attention wanders, direct your focus to your footsteps. When each foot touches the ground, feel the energy riding all the way from your feet, up through your legs, your hips, torso, arms, all the way up to the top of your head. The slight vibration when your foot lands on the ground is very relaxing. Allow your breath to flow smoothly in and out, in and out. Now, as you're walking, let's listen to the sound of the waterfall in the distance. Slowly stop walking and take a seat on the floor or in a chair and straighten your spine. Relax your entire body. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out through your mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out through your mouth. Again, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out. Listen to the sounds of the waterfall and imagine it as powerful heavenly energy that can recharge and get rid of all the negativity within and around you. Breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe